single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
No, we're taking it.
Woo! What's up, boys? Back to the channel right now. We're doing here in Sean's house, doing the clutch. Woo! Baby, but we're gonna do some twist. Tagalog version of replacing the clutch. Magandang araw mga kabayan. So, gagawin natin dito, papalitan namin yung clutch dito sa Evo ni Sean.
Bakla?
Yeah. Bakla daw, bakla. Siya yun. So, yan, pinalitan na, tinanggal na namin yung axle, yung hub, yan. Tapos,
Yeah, everything's labeled. The trans label with the thing.
ngayon, gagawin namin, tanggalin namin yung mga bolts dito sa ibabaw. Yung tanggal na yung ilalim. Yan, madumi na ako, alam mo ko. Pero, isang oras pa kami dito. Dami na natanggal. Yan, next time doon sa mga nagtatanong kung paano tanggalin yung axle right there. Kailangan mo lang i-move yung buong hub assembly at saka yung strap para matanggal yung axle. So, yung ball joint lang ang tatanggalin nyo ng bolt para matanggal yung axle dyan. Alright? So, yan ang gagawin. So, let's go down here in the bottom. Alright, para makita nyo konti. Yan, axle. Yung axle dyan, tanggalin. Axle hub right there. Alright, tapos yung mga bolt. Mga bolt.
Well, that's the routing number.
Yeah.
Alright, so, ibabaw na kami ngayon. Same thing yung sa kabila. So, dito.
I thought it was good to go. Then I get a voice note.
Right. So, mamaya, balik tayo mamaya.
Hey, I thought it was like Friday.
Woo! Be fucking sweet, baby. Be back later. Alright, boys, time check. Oh, dumi ko. 11 o'clock na sa gabi. Nag-umpisa kami alas 4. So, TKs is already out. One more bolt for the transmission that we need to take out, and we have to separate the transmission. Drop down the transmission now. Let me show you the. Makita ko sa inyo yung TKs. Ready? TKs is already hanging. Okay. And I have to separate the transmission now. Woo! Let's go. Let's see. White boy. Let's go, white boy.
Special tool, right?
Yeah, that's my special tool right there. Yes. Napagod ako, so siya muna. Whew. What? What kind of shit?
Did I do it the wrong way? It's supposed to
Yeah, going that way.
tighten that way.
Loosen, make sure the nipple. See?
Wrong way.
There you go.
You keep this to tightness, we'll never get that.
I know, right?
Yan, tanggal na yung mga mount. Konti na lang. Makikita na natin yung clutch. All we need to do is to see the clutch. That's it. And resume for tomorrow, boy. Ayan. Natanggal din namin.
Henry? Henry,
Yeah.
this bucket's brand new still.
Yeah, that's what the same thing look like mine. It's look like brand new, but it's really burned.
But it's not the disc, it's the freaking pressure plates,
Yeah,
right?
the pressure plate, yeah.
That's what it looks like.
And what did Jackie say?
Called the oxidation.
Yep.
It's crazy. Needs a good cleaning, huh?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
We're almost there.
Hell yeah.
Trans is out.
Chance it out.
Look at this big ass bracket.
This is the one I'm talking about. You need to spray this one, Sean.
Huh? You have to spray all in there, right?
Yeah, clean up, yeah.
Brake cleaner?
Yeah, brake cleaner. Yeah, brake cleaner only.
This is similar to my car, where there's a damper.
You hear that?
Yeah,
you know that
that
rattle?
Yeah, that's from yours.
That
why
rattle?
Why does it do that?
Well, it's because of these grooves here get worn out, and then they're not really attached to the damper, and it rattles like this.
So it's getting fixed, right? Or you order it already?
But it's all fixed.
Right.
I got brand new all.
Tapos
it
din
gets
kami.
built?
Huh?
When it gets built?
When it gets built, all brand new stuff.
Nice.
Good job.
I'm just reusing the fluid because I did a fluid change like 4,000 miles ago.
Yeah, you don't want to spend enough money on
It
fluid.
was like $500 for the fluid for the SST. It was
Hell you.
fucking ridiculous.
Huh?
Could be some. No. But look at you see the disc? How it looks?
Yeah, it's still thick. It's the same thing, probably the same thing mine. The fucking pressure plate.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Remember last time we broke these bolts?
Mm-hmm. We could take out that one now.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, just take out the plate so that we can see.
Yeah.
Get
you have the special. Is it 12
no
point, right?
Yes, a 12 point. Doesn't matter which one. It has to be 12 point, of course.
Yep.
I think that's like 10.
10, 12
Yeah.
point. Okay.
10. That's 10.
Yeah, we gotta take all these out. Take
Yeah.
it to the freaking flywheel bolts to see if they're ARPs or not, right?
Yeah.
We don't know yet. So let's go.
Dito na kami nagtatapos for today. Ayan. Tanggal din. Tanggal din yung flywheel. Ayan na, malinis na. Wala kaming nasira. Tinan nyo. Sinong master ngayon? Sabi ko sa inyo saan yung luma? Sa old clutch.
This is gonna be your car next week. Same thing.
Yep.
Same thing next weekend.
Oh, what a miss.
5-speed.
Saan yung old clutch? Nilagay mo.
I put it next to the new one.
Hey, you'll notice when you drive it,
That's the new one.
the 6 gear is kind of nice.
Really?
Ayan yung luma.
6 gears?
Woo! Nessa, baby. Nessa.